Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. Making the last and final video of this project. Once we get done epoxy coating this floor here, this mezzanine floor for the Sherwin-Williams company, we'll take tomorrow off, which is Christmas, and then we'll come back here on Friday and we'll just clear coat the floor. May make a video of clear coating the floor, but that's really probably the most vital part of the project, but it's just simply rolling out a clear coat on the floor, so it's very self-explanatory. So here you see this whole entire floor, like I explained in the last video. This is all a two-part epoxy primer on this floor. And now what we're doing is applying our two-part solvent-based epoxy, our finish coating for this floor right now. Same color, haze gray, package color from Sherwin-Williams. This is Armor Seal 1000. The primer that we used for the floor was Armor Seal 33. And what we're doing here is squeegeeing down our product, and then we have our guys coming behind with these small porcupine rollers. And what that does is pop any air bubbles that could possibly get trapped in the coating and cause delamination or, chipping, flaking, or peeling or something. So putting it down pretty thick. We're trying to kind of disguise, as you can see the floor, and I mentioned in the last video, there's just some crazy gouges in this floor. They're not looking for it to be showroom quality. I mean, where it just, baby butt smooth, So this is a work environment. There's forklifts, pallet jacks, carts, everything all over this floor. Work boots just tearing this floor up constantly. And this substrate is 50-something years old probably, with, who knows, 10 layers of different epoxies and coatings on this floor. So it's almost like you're walking on a rubber floor. But you can just see the tons and tons and tons of gouges that are left in this floor. So we're trying to disguise them a little bit. They don't really even care if we do or not. They just want the floor. They wanted it cleaned, primered, and epoxy coated. I'm kind of getting to where I want to hide and disguise some of these gouges just on my own. But obviously it's going to take a lot more material to do that. And all this was ordered. Sherwin-Williams ordered all this product, a couple weeks ago, and it's Christmas tomorrow, and we have no way of really getting our hands on any more products. So we're gonna have to work with the products that were initially ordered. So I don't know how thick I'm going to be able to put this product down. So I've just got one guy squeegeeing it all down, and I got the other 4 guys. One guy dumping product on the ground, one guy squeegeeing, 3 guys with these porcupine rollers. So we just go over the top of the coating, and it just make sure it pops any bubbles that could be trapped in the epoxy. The guy with the squeegee, his name is Jeff. That's my foreman. Awesome floor guy. I met him out at the Orange County Convention Center about 9 years ago. He was doing all the epoxy floors for the Orange County Convention Center. I finally stole him away, and now he's my foreman. And when it comes to these floors, I don't know if there's anybody any better. But at any rate, again, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. It's Christmas Eve day, 2014. And we're at the Sherwin-Williams manufacturing plant here in Orlando, Florida. I'll post all of our before, during, and after photos on our Facebook business page. Like I said, we'll get this all epoxy coated today. Take tomorrow off for Christmas, and then we'll come back Friday morning and we're going to apply a protective clear coating on this entire floor. Armor Seal Rexstain it's called. And it should get about 72 hours of drying time, cure time, before they start production on Monday morning. But we started with the epoxy right back on that, where that stainless steel tank is down there at the end. We're coming this way, so we got to go all the way around through there. It's like a big, kind of a big circle horseshoe, but there's a hallway back there in the back as well. So it's like a big circle, and then we have this big landing area here. And it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. They should be done, cleaned up, out of here by, I'm hoping by 3 o'clock. Maybe 4 o'clock at the latest. So. But again, thank you Sherwin-Williams for the business. We appreciate it. Floor's gonna look awesome when we're done. Thank you everyone. Have a Merry Christmas. Be safe. Enjoy your family, and I'm sure everybody will get back to the grind probably on Monday. So anyway, thank you very much. Everyone at Orlando Painters says Merry Christmas. Be safe. Thank you.